Who even thought that this would work? Well, let's see. Okay, here we have a log splitting machine. And we are going to turn this into hydraulic press. I already removed these things from it. These were here like this, somehow, to keep the logs here. Currently this works so that you press this button and then you turn this handle so that it moves. And then it has some kind of spring inside so that it returns automatically. Now I'm thinking that I will attach some plates so that I have a press surface, maybe like this. And now I need to figure out how to mount those. Let's see. Maybe I take a look under here. Yeah, I figured out that I'm going to remove this from here, and to do that I have to move it some amount in that direction so that I can remove these nuts from here. Next thing, I'm going to attach these plates here. Okay, now we have a mount point for the press plate, which goes here like this. I think I need to use some spacer under here so that it doesn't drag into that surface. It seems that this thing here this is actually a slider that slides in this rail or whatever it is and keeps this in place. So I think I need to put this one back inside there in that cage that I built so that it can slide on this. Let's see if I need to grind these a bit because these are over the edges. Let's see. I got this here. This doesn't go in at all. So. Or maybe I just cut a piece from here. At this point I noticed that my plan might not work. The blades are too far from the cylinder and it's overall very sketchy system. I tried to fix it by bending it back. Well, turns out that I figured out that this is not how to do a hydraulic press. So I started looking for a different approach, and for that I need to disassemble this thing to figure out how it works. And when I opened some bolts on the other end, all the oil came out. So yeah, it made a bit mess. But yeah, I think I figured out that I make a new frame from this steel for this and make it work like a normal hydraulic press. And I need this to work upside down from its normal working position. So I need a way to get the oil into this oil pump. I think it takes its oil from here somewhere. So this hole here is where the oil goes. So I need to make this kind of pipe from here all the way to the bottom of this tank. So next I'm going to solder some threads to the pipe. I think this is all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. The second part is coming soon.